Alcoholic Governor of Negros Occidental. We have Governor Eugenio Bong Lacson. Gov, good morning.
Good morning, Action Art. Sa mga nagapapati sa program mo, mayong agda, mayong buntag nito.
Mayong buntag Gov, no? Kabalugi ko sako kaman na kay bangod sining All Saints Day kag All Souls Day nga mga activities. Pero Gov, mayo nga balita kay naging matawhay ang eleksyon naton all over the province sa bag-ulang natapos kay BSK, Gov.
Yes, no? Kina-congratulate ko gid ang mga Negrense, no? Kay tungod sa inyo cooperation, amutong resulta matawhay ang eleksyon, ang pinili ay diri sa probinsya naton. And of course, tagaan taman credit ng COMELEC, no? You know, they were ever present before, during, and after and even up to now, no? Involved yapon sila. And of course, our men in uniform, men and women in uniform, no? PNP, Philippine Army, even ang beauty fire, tanan, no? They were all active to see to it nga matawhay ang atong pinilihan. Because you must remember, before the election, may mga areas of concern.
Yes.
But I was confident na we will still be peaceful because itong mga areas of concern, hindi to election related.
Correct.
Those were areas where there was yung gun battle with the CPP, no? So automatic becomes an area of concern. But many times I was asked if you think this will be peaceful. I said yes, no?
Correct.
Including concern. So congratulations to everyone. And yung pakita naman natin liwat na although especially in barangay, it can become intense, become heated. Pero at the end of the day, ginarespeto natin ang outcome.
Anong mensahe mo kag challenge mo sa mga bag-o subong na elect nga mga barangay kag SK officials sa Gov?
Well, para sa mga bag-o, meaning to say first-timers nila, ang DILG will also be giving out a seminar, no, para at least matudloan ka mo kung ano gid ang responsibilities ang isa ka barangay captain. Pero for the incumbent na re-elected, no, you are on your last term or second term, you already know what it is to become a barangay captain or barangay kagawad. In fact, siguro na re-elected ka mo because of your past performance, no? And just remember, you only have 2 years, no? The Supreme Court has already said with finality that it is unconstitutional to extend your term, no? So you have 2 years lang. The next election will be in 2025. So the moment na naka-assume mo office, trabaho dayon, no? Just remember ang mga ginpromesa ninyo, tumano nyo ang inyong mga ginapromesa.
Kag sining All Saints Day kag All Souls Day, nanong mensahe mo sa mga Negrosanon kamalugod damo ni kadto sa mga out of town manindi sa mga pamilya nila, Gov?
Yes, no, this is already tradition, no, sa atong mga Filipinos. Of course, may mga rules panda, especially you know, disallow gid ang drinking inside the cemetery, no? It is a family reunion, so mag-enjoy ka mo with your family. Usually, sometimes, many times, Action Art, pamilya na kita na ilang occasions like this, no?
Correct.
So, you know, take advantage of it. Now, others naman, na nagbisita na sa departed relatives, most likely, nagwa sila, makadto sa beach, you know, to travel, either dili lang sa Occidental, or many, I'm sure, I've gone to Negros Oriental also. So, be careful also sa pag-drive. Don't drink and drive, no? That's the pinaka-basic rule lang yan, no? And make sure, hindi man kinala magdali. Abot ka mo sa inyong destination, that's okay already, no? So, enjoy ka mo sa ining long vacation or long weekend, and I do hope, no, that by Monday, all back to work naman.
Go, by the way, sa Friday, may office yang sa government office na to sa province?
Yes, no, wala pa notisya, no, na it will be declared as a holiday.
I see. Gov, thank you gid sa imo time. Halong gid permi and God bless.
Thank you, Action Art.
Action Hotline.
The Governor of Negros Occidental, Governor Eugenio Bong Lacson.